Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm starting with unit 3. I've completed unit 2 in the previous video. I have left the link in the description below. You can go back to my previous video and check that out. So in this unit I'm covering probability and probability distribution. So there are many things in this chapter which is not so that important. So there are many things like sets and probability, all the types of set, empty set, universal set, subset, equal set, then the mutually exclusive sets, disjoint set, and all sort of sets. So there are many videos in the YouTube which will cover all those things. Over here I will be focusing only on through the exam point of view. So through exam point of view we have binomial probability distribution over here. So these kind of sums usually come in the exams. So binomial probability distribution. Now this is the main formula for binomial probability distribution. That is P of R is equal to NCR PR Q of N minus R, Q raised to N minus R. So this is the formula. Now these all things we will understand better when we look into the sums. So for now I will tell you what these things mean. Now N is the number of repeated trials, P is the probability of a success, and Q is the probability of failure. Now one thing we have to remember, that how to understand that this is the sum of binomial probability distribution, that the sum will have a success and a failure. When a sum has both these things, then it means that it is a binomial probability distribution. So in this particular video you all will write down all the formulas, write it down, note it down, and go through these formulas. Okay, so then next is there is one thing that is P plus Q is equal to 1. So in the sum we will need this statement, so you have to remember this also, that is P plus Q is equal to 1. Then we have the NCR. The formula for NCR is over here, that is N factorial upon R factorial into N minus R factorial. These are the formulas, these are the common formulas. So then next is we have mean. These formulas also we will use during the sums. So mean is represented as M is equal to NP. Then variance formula is variance is equal to N into P into Q. Then we have the formula for standard deviation is equal to under root of NPQ. At times we have this is a note which is very important. So at times when the experiment is repeated n times, frequency of R successes N into NCR into PR into Q raised to N minus R. So that is when we have experiment repeated n number of times, then we have, this is the formula for binomial probability distribution. So this formula will be multiplied n times. That is, we have to just add n into the entire thing will be our formula. So this over here we conclude with the formulas. So that is it for today guys. In this particular video I have specially made all the formulas very clear to everyone. So over here in this particular video we have discussed about all the formulas related to binomial probability distribution, then mean, variance, standard deviation. So in the upcoming videos I'll be taking examples or sums related to binomial probability distribution. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Also I upload videos every Monday to Saturday. So until then, keep watching.